9, Deputy Hood, Charleston County. The reason I stopped you, you're very erratic with your driving. You're all over. You've almost rear-ended me a couple times. You're speeding. You're failing to maintain your lane. You're cutting cars off. All right. All right. How much have you had to drink this evening? Yeah, how much have you had to drink? Alcohol. Yeah, how much?
Saying you only had a little is a major red flag. This tiny admission gives the deputy a legal green light to dig much deeper.
All right, turn your car off. Turn car off. Will you do some tests for me? Can I check to make sure you're good to be driving? Okay. All right. I need somebody to come and back me up so I can do it. And I'm waiting on them. Once they get here, we'll do it. Okay? You understand? Yeah. Okay. You can see? You can see?
Yeah, I can see you.
Okay.
This pen test tracks involuntary eye jerking. If you are impaired, your brain cannot hide it. Your body betrays you.
Keep your head still.
Okay.
Follow with the eyes only. Follow with your eyes only. Keep your head still. Keep your head still. Follow with your eyes only. Keep your head
you
still.
want to follow this on the pen?
Follow the tip of my pen with your eyes only, keeping your head still. You can start. Right foot. Right. You got to keep. Steps offline.
Walking a straight line sounds easy, but doing it heel to toe while counting is a coordination nightmare. This test is designed to be almost impossible for anyone who is not stone cold sober. One tiny wobble is all the evidence the police need.
All right, turn around. Turn around. Hands behind your back. All right, you're under arrest right now. Suspicion of driving under the influence.
Big hard breath, keep going.
Okay, it's gonna be marked as a refusal if it times out because you're not blowing.
Blow, keep going.
You're not blowing.
Big hard breath.
He's not even blowing.
Faking a breath test is a desperate move. Suspects think no number means no crime, but the law calls this refusal by conduct. You are not outsmarting the system, you are just making the charges stick.
Keep blowing. Keep blowing. Blow, blow. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Keep blowing into the mouthpiece.
They can register. Oh, sorry. All right. We're doing
You're
it.
done.
All right. He wasn't even blowing.
No.
You knew what you were doing. You weren't even blowing.
Every arrest for driving under the influence is more than just a statistic. It is a tragedy that did not happen. Deputy Hood chose to protect the community by stopping a danger that was literally right behind him. This is the reality of law enforcement that the public rarely sees. If you value this perspective and want to see more deep dives into police work, consider joining our community by subscribing to the channel. We appreciate your support and your comments. Thank you for watching Blue Line Raw. Stay safe on the road and have a great day.